Well, kung kanina nagawa ng Paranaque.
Boy!
Ay!
Nasagi ng 3. Pero kung wala yung mga umaandar na bola na yun, mukhang doon ang tungo ng 9 sa corner. They won 3. They won 3 straight. Nick Abergas won 3 straight. Spotting on that blue too has just won 3 straight.
Para ang mangyari dyan is na mananudge niya yung 8 out of the way and still clear shot on the 4.
This is the key shot.
Iyon, nice.
Pinala kahit lumayo.
Straight draw, clearing the 9 para sa 6.
Dinrong nga.
Needs to clear the 9. Nicely done.
Sohok 2.
Saktong-sakto. Super. Pero very dangerous yung ganong speed na sasaktuhan mo lang talaga.
Ay hindi. Nakabuelo na kasi si Maki.
Ng ano mo, ng tira mo, pati yung
Lahat ng pekto sa gusto mo mangyari. Lahat ng
hand
batak.
and eye coordination mo
Oo.
is right on point.
Lahat ng follow through. Lahat ng pasunod. Magagawa mo lahat eh.
That's right. Leiva, double clutching on that shot. On that shot on the 9. Final ball. Leiva puts it in.
Pogi! Ang Manila MSW Mavericks